Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing a wig from Subella hair. I believe this is my first time working with them, and spoiler alert, I love the wig. So I'm showing you guys everything that they sent over in the packaging: some lashes, some little makeup brushes, a wig cap, everything you need. So I'm going to be putting this wig on straight out the pack so you guys can just see how easy it is to apply. This is their 360 lace with the hidden strap. The texture is water wave, and the wig is 24 inches, is 220% density. This is up close of what the waves look like. Straight out the pack, they just look so juicy or something. Yeah, that's the best word. They look juicy. So this is the construction of the wig. You get these little hidden strap makes it so that you can tighten up the wig, especially like if you wear your hair in a ponytail. You don't have to worry about like having any spray or anything at the back. Since this is a 360 lace wig, you got a clip in the back, and then you also have an adjustable strap in the middle, which also helps with tightness for you to put that wig on. And then I'm just demonstrating like what it would look like when you tighten it. You basically just pull this string and it tightens so that your lace isn't showing and it's nice and secure at the back. And I'll show you guys how to do all of that a little later on in the video. Like, I'm just gonna start by tinting my lace with my even lace tinting spray, and then I'm gonna also tint it with my foundation color so it can be the perfect shade for me. And I'm just pressing it in with my little makeup brush. Okay, now we're just going to go ahead and get started. Put the wig on. I'm using the adjustable strap that they sent over, making sure that it's nice and snug to my head, and then I'm adjusting the wig. I am gonna be spraying the front of it so that it can be, you know, nice and laid, and I don't have to worry about like the sides or anything lifting up on it. So let's just go ahead and start. I'm gonna do a middle part, so I'm just you know, getting it where I need it to be, and then I'm just clipping the hair back because I'm going to start spraying the hair down. I'm using a Got To Be Flex Instant Hold Spray. I've fallen in love with this spray lately. I've been using it, and it doesn't really leave like any residue or anything, and you can just like spray it straight on, and it has like really nice holds, so I definitely recommend that. I'm just applying that, and then I'm gonna blow dry my hair on cool. Now I'm gonna lay the lace down a little bit. I always do this just to make sure it's nice and secure. In a little while I'm going to do my baby hairs and everything, but I just want to lay the lace down like this for a little while so that it can kind of set. Okay, so I just added my wax stick around like my hairline and then in that middle part, and I'm just going to use my hot comb to make sure all of that area is nice and flat. Okay, now we're going to bring these curls to life. So I'm just going to spray the hair with water, really saturate the hair very nicely. And I also added some mousse to the hair that really helps so the curls can stay intact. Okay, now I'm just pulling 2 sections out in the front just so I can frame my face. Very small sections, and I'm going to just kind of layer that in the front just a little bit. Okay, so my hair is pretty set. I'm just going to define that part and just do any extra like use of my hot comb that I need to do, and then we're going to pull out the areas that I'm going to do my baby hairs. All I'm going to do is just like cut those at a slant and then lay those and swoop those with my mousse. Okay, now that my baby hairs are how I want them to be, I'm just going to put that wig band on again because I really want my edges to be nice and laid, and the longer you lay them down and set them, the longer it'll last. So of course you can let your hair air dry, but I'm not patient, so I'm going to blow dry my hair. I'm using it on like medium heat and I'm blow drying it. I'm making sure not to manipulate it too much, but this definitely cuts the drying like by a lot. So if you're in a hurry, blow dry the hair, but just don't go crazy with it. You see, I'm not really moving it around too much. I'm just like blow drying it, kind of chill. Anyway, this is what the hair looks like when it is completely dry, you guys. So we're gonna take off the little wig band, and yeah, the hair looks really nice, doesn't it? Look at the hairline, look at the edges. All right, so I'm gonna pin the hair up just a little bit so I can show you guys what the little straps look like, the little adjustable little straps that are on this wig. Remember, this is a 360 lace wig, and I'm just gonna tighten that area in the back really quickly. So I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see how I do it. Basically, I just pull both sides. I try to pull them both at the same time, because if you pull one, then it's gonna like only be like pull on one side, and if you only pull one side, it's only gonna do it on one side. So make sure you pull both sides, which is what I do. And I kind of just like tied it up and tucked it under. So I tied it up and tucked it under. You really don't have to like tie it up. I just did that so it can be like extra secure. So that's what it looks like from the back. And then later on, whenever I do my little bun, I'll show you guys even more. So as you can see, this wig is very secure. It's not going anywhere. The wave pattern on this hair is absolutely beautiful. Like, look at the shine that it has. This wig is very thick, as you guys see. It's 220% density, so it just looks like really thick, really healthy. Just, oh yes, yes, really juicy curls. But yeah, y'all, this is the completed look. Now let's go ahead and do a couple styles. So first style I'm gonna do is like a half up, half down, and we're just gonna pull the hair up into a high little pony with half of the hair, so you guys can see what that looks like. This wig is very versatile. It's a 360 lace wig, so you can do a lot of stuff. You can do ponytails, half up, half down, and I'm gonna show you guys that. So this is the first style, half up, half down. Very cute. Okay, now I'm just gonna put the hair in a ponytail so you guys can just see what it looks like if you want to just pull your hair up into a ponytail. Super cute. And then for the last style, we're just going to do a bun. So I'm just going to twist that ponytail up, and then I'm gonna wrap it around, and then I'm gonna secure it with my little elastic band. Okay, I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see what it looks like. As you can see, you don't see any lace or anything. The wig is secure. You don't have to worry about your lace lifted in the back or anything like that. Super cute. So if you guys like this wig or any other wig from Subella Hair, I will definitely have the links and everything down below in the description. Thank you guys for watching. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.